for the Cagayan de Oro City Police Office in behalf of our City Director, Police Senior Superintendent Gaciano Jailo Miares Jr. for our security concern. For the 61 polling centers, we have already police personnel assigned to respective polling centers. On part of the hinterland areas, we have also the presence of the Philippine Army, specifically the 58th Infantry Battalion under Lieutenant Colonel Bermudo. So meron na tayong mga PNP at Army personnel sa mga hinterlands, specifically mentioned the barangays of Bisigan, Tumpagon, Bayanga, Lumbia area, San Simon, Baikingon. So in Tumpagon, we have a detachment of the Army, as well as in Bisigan, we have also a detachment, and we have an area security also of the 58 IB. So our hinterlands in the Lumbia area, as well as in San Simon, they are all covered with the Philippine Army as well as police personnel.